Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Dean, and I pretty much build all kinds of crazy stuff.
Last time on the build, Dean was down to zero funds after costly, time-consuming repairs, completely rebuilding his shop's exterior and roof after a brutal hailstorm. With the first of the month looming and bills due, he had no choice but to dig through leftover scrap from past projects and make anything work. The gamble? 2 kitchen islands, built from whatever materials he had on hand, with no guarantee they'd sell. The first took on an industrial Art Deco style, blending bold design with raw functionality. But then, Dean doubled down, pushing the second into full steampunk madness. Mistakes were made, risks were taken. Now the question remains, will the gamble pay off, or was it all a waste? Let's find out.
All right, now we're starting on the second table. Tell me how freaking cool is that? That's so cool. Took a long time to design that image. So I think I got about 3 hours into that. I wish the software was set up so I could just put images into the program and it would outline it for me, but it does not. Let's grab the other one. So freaking cool. This one got a little warped from the heat. See if I can bend it a little bit. That's so cool. Let's see what else I can come up with. All right, so as always, I have no idea what I'm gonna do on this piece. I got a pile of junk back there behind my wall. I'm gonna go start going through my junk. This one I want very steampunk. The other one, as y'all seen, it was just kind of industrial with a tiny, tiny, tiny dab of steampunk mixed in with it. This one, I want a lot of steampunk in it. So I'm gonna go through all the junk I got, start pulling stuff out, and just see what ideas come to me.